Right there is a tail light, and we'll take out the first screw from the top using a Phillips screwdriver. There's the first screw taken out. It's a little long screw right there. Underneath is another screw that we also need to take out using a Phillips screwdriver. While taking out the second screw, just make sure you're holding on to the tail light because it's going to fall apart. Second screw is also out. We will separate the frame first. Now, in some cases, I have noticed they have two screws here. You don't need to take out those two screws, but just to let you know, those two screws are actually holding on to a plastic behind. The actual two screws that are holding on the taillight with the body of the car itself are only these two screws right there. We will gently pull out the taillight like that. There it is. That is how we take out the taillight. Once the taillight is taken out, behind there are two bulbs right there. So here is how we are supposed to take it out. We'll grab this plug and then turn it counterclockwise. And then we will pull it out. Just like that. That is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. Now, in order to take out the bulb from here, all we have to do is use a piece of cloth like that, grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the bulb. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or the other way. Both ways are perfectly fine. All we have to do is just place the bulb inside the plug. We'll make sure it's completely in first, and then we press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. That bulb is completely in. Now we'll install this plug back where we took it out from. Make sure the plug is completely in first. It has to go in from these edges all the way. Once completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, and notice it's also not coming out anymore. Same process applies to the bottom bulb. Again, we grab it and turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. There it is. Now again, we will use a piece of cloth to pull out the bulb. That is how we take out the bulb. In my case, the bulb is again good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, doesn't matter if it's this way or the other way around. We'll punch in the bulb in the plug. Once completely in, only then we will press it down until we hear a clicking sound. And again, we'll go ahead and punch in the plug where we took it out from. We make sure the plug is completely in first. It is completely in. Now we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Once both the plugs are completely in, now we'll go ahead and punch in this tail light back. We'll make sure the tail light is installed in the body first. Just like that. Once it's in place, then we go ahead and put the frame on top. Just make sure this curved side of the frame goes on the right side. In case if you're doing it for the left, this curved side should stay on the left side. While holding it like this, I'll punch in the screw from top. Make sure the screw is grabbing in the position at the back. It seems like, yeah, it did grab it, and seems like it's also not coming out. Here I'm trying to wiggle a little bit, making sure the tail light is completely in. Now we'll install the bottom screw. Again, you may have to wiggle the screw a little bit until it goes in that spot behind. Seems like it did grab it. Now we'll just go and tighten the screw. Make sure you are not using the gun, because sometimes using the gun can break the tabs of the taillight, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. We will not tighten the bottom screw yet. First, we will tighten the top screw. Once the top screw is tight, then we'll go ahead and tighten the bottom screw. Bottom is also good. Just making sure one more time the top screw is tight enough. Seems good. That is how we replace the taillight bulbs. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the tool that we used for this takeout.